We're making a chicken tractor.
Oh, screws.
With our free pallets. And we're gonna put a roof on top. And this will just be temporary. I'm even gonna put some wheels. I'm gonna put some wheels on the bottom to make it easier to move. And this will just be temporary until they get a little bigger. Then we'll put them in a bigger tractor. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. What are you guys doing up there? Oh, you ran into Kelly. Okay guys, I want to show you what I did yesterday in the garden. I finished up 2 more raised beds. Okay, I finished these 2 right here, and they were real easy to build. I made them out of the fence boards from Lowe's, and they're just 8 feet, and I just cut the sides are 4 feet, 8 by 4. Just had to make 2 cuts, and then I braced them with some leftover 2x4s that I had in the corner there, and they're all done. And we're gonna put one in for them. Mama wants one, a real long one, all the way down to that raised bed along the fence. We want to put a, probably it's gonna be about like a 16-footer all the way down there. And I don't know if you've seen our trellis, but we put up our trellis, and we had some leftover panels, and we put those up there with some T-posts. So we're getting excited. We are getting ready for the garden. And we got in our garlic is doing excellent. We planted this last fall, and it's coming up really nice. Got the garlic in, and there's our potato patch. We got 4 rows of potatoes, and we got those in on St. Patty's Day. And we're still working on the rest of the garden here, cleaning it up and getting ready to plant. So it won't be long. I think we had the last frost in Missouri 2 nights ago. It was in the 20s, and I think that was our last frost. So we should be good to go to start planting everything. Let's go check out and see if we have any eggs while we're out here. Let's see if Avonlea beat me to it, but let's check. Okay, oh yeah, look at that. Jackpot. There's 4 eggs. Oh yeah. 2 more. Woohoo! And so we got six eggs. Yeah, good job, girls. Good job. I'll send Avonlea out here to pick them up. Alright. Let's see how our goats are doing. Oh yeah, in the new sheep goat tractor. Hi guys, how you doing, huh? What you guys doing, huh? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, you guys need some more grass, huh? What you doing, huh? What are you guys doing? You need some more hay? Yeah, you've eaten up all the grass in here, huh? Yeah, okay. Let's go get you a treat here, okay? Alright, let's get you a treat there. Okay, hold on, Deborah. Okay, hold on a minute. Hold on a minute, Deborah. Oh, Samson, you're not going to share? Come on, Samson. Deborah has all her own. Oh, there comes Samson, not sharing. Is that good stuff? Alright, there's plenty, guys. Alright, guys. Yeah. You gotta do a shift. You guys are silly. Okay, guys. See you later.
Hello, guys. Hello, sweet girl. Hello. Hello there. Did you get moved? Huh? Are you in your traveling pen? Mary and Martha? Hello, Samson. You're happy because you're with your ladies. Oh, look at you. Your sides are so full. You're going to have babies soon. Deborah, when are those babies coming? Samson, hello, babies. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, my goodness sakes. Look at your sides. Wouldn't get much bigger, huh? Yay. Midst of the storm, beauty shines forth. Look at these beautiful daffodils. Look at that. They are there in all their splendor. They are gorgeous. There is beauty amidst the storm. We just have to find it. You can look for beauty, and it's there. You just have to look for it. You have to find it. They're so beautiful. So amazing. There's only a few. Does my heart good on a dreary day like this. Beauty. Spring is here.
Well, we got to enjoy the day today. We started off first with home church, and we got to celebrate together, and we watched our church online, and we had communion and a little bit of worship, and so we had a blessed morning to start off the day. and most of our older children came home for the day today on Sunday, and we just spent most of the day playing games and eating all day, and then we had a big barbecue for dinner, and we just had a wonderful time playing games, and we were doing a little bit of working out in the driveway, and since the gyms are closed, and we did a little bit of shooting in the front yard, a little bit of practice with the rifles, and so we just enjoyed each other, and we do that anyway as homesteaders and homeschoolers, and we're home a lot, and it's just another fun day for us, but it was a good time to see all the children, our grown children, and Hunter was here. He's off back at school tomorrow, and they're closing down for the rest of the school year at Missouri State, and he has to get all of his stuff out of the dorms, and so he's coming back home for the rest of the school year, so we're thankful for that. Yay. But anyway, we hope you all had a great day today. I know there's a lot to do always on the homestead, even though we're all quarantined at home, but we just pray you all stay safe and enjoy your families and your spouses, and have a blessed time. And until next time, guys, God bless you all.